Hey, what's up, Dent coin holder? So this is live price prediction of Dent coin, my brother. As you can see here, minus 16.49%. The Dent coin price is very badly decreased now. So what we will need, my friends, to do this to be safe from the loss. Absolutely, if the price will fails down, so therefore, my brother, our holder are starting selling, and definitely the main reason of this fail, my friend, the price will fails down because my brother, especially short-term investors starting selling. So therefore the price will very badly decrease now. So I just request my all Dent coin holder, kindly don't see the short fails. If you are a long-term investor, please don't see the short my friend, time investor. If they're starting selling, so you will also starting selling. Kindly you will need, my friends, to do this what you want, and absolutely FBS6 channel will advise you, guide you. So you will need to follow FBS6 channel. I will give you 100% guarantee you will never lose now. But please, my friend, research personally after any take a decision now. So Bitcoin price, it falls down minus 16.49%, but I am 100% sure to upcoming time there is a chance to Bitcoin price again hit now this huge price target now. But this is possible if a short-term investor are starting holding now. So I just advise for all of you now to please hold it. Otherwise, my friend, we will fails down. Please hold it. I hope they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.